Hey Crazy Cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex from New Herman Culture Free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is the Magical Sisters Beauty Collab that I host every bi-weekly along with my friends Christine and Jessica. I am very excited about this challenge. This challenge is a Disney makeup challenge. Like anything you want to do with Disney is basically a makeup look. And I decided to go with Belle. I don't know why. You're the Beast. And I was like, it's gonna be quite interesting. So I already did my face and I already primed my eyeshadow, my eyes I meant. So it's gonna go like an easy, quick way, but also with a little red, a little green, I think. I don't know, but when I think about Belle, I'm thinking about yellow all of a sudden because her dress is yellow and everything when she dances with the Beast, which is interesting, you know. So for this look, I'm going to use Honey from Colourpop. I'm very excited about this. There's some browns and some yellows, which I do like. I like these shades anyway. So we're just gonna go for it and just have a little fun and everything else. Now, of course, all the products I've used in this video will be down below. I do have affiliate links if you want to check them out and see if you want to get some products. So yeah, with a little brown, I'm thinking I'm going to use Totally Buggin' because I've never used this shade before and I might as well use it. And she's really gorgeous. She really don't have any makeup on or anything like that. I don't know. But we're just gonna go and put that all over the lid. We're just gonna go with Oh Behave. Just a little bit. I really don't use a lot of yellows in my looks, but you know what, we're just gonna go with Belle. So for the shimmer, I want to use this shimmer because I think it's such a pretty shimmer. I'm going to use Dandy right. Because I feel like that's really pretty. And I'm going to use Buzzkill. Why not? And that's really pretty for today's look and challenge. Really pretty. Something I would go for. And I really do like it. So make sure you check out the ladies, Christine and Jessica. I will have their links down below for their channels. And of course, if you do like this look, make sure to hit the like button so I know you want to see more content like this. And also, if you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure to hit the subscribe button. We are drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody here. And of course, make sure the notification bell so you be notified of any new videos that I upload. Fridays of live streaming will be a little bit different. A little bit. You don't know when I'm going to live stream next or what. But yes. So I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.